Flour and water, and your breakfast is ready in just minutes. In a bowl, let's start by adding a cup of all-purpose flour. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything together thoroughly. Add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and mix well again. Next, we'll add some oil. Here, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons, 1 egg, and mix again. Add water until the dough reaches the perfect consistency. Now simply transfer our dough to the countertop. Give it a light kneading until it becomes smooth like this. Now let's divide it into 4 pieces. Just roll it out like this and trim off all the edges. Then cut it into strips. Next, fry them in hot oil. Repeat until you've used all the remaining dough. And there you have it. Delicious snacks for breakfast or afternoon coffee. Try making these at home. I'm sure everyone will love them. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Big hugs. See you next time and thanks.